From the minute anyone walks through the gates here at Sebring, you have to be committed. And for the drivers, it's about being pushed to the limit. For the teams operating at the limit. And for the fans, well, most of the time they're over the limit. Sebring is one of those races that if you win here, you are a most worthy victor.
And we are green at Sebring for the 12 hours.
Great start by Ryan DL on the outside of the front row, and he looks to the lead. Garcia slides that Corvette down into the second spot.
They're almost touching as they work, banging doors. Brilliant stuff.
Settling into a rhythm, trying to get your tire pressures, tire temps up. Sebring simply, it's a monster. It eats race cars. It tears out the heart and soul of the race car drivers.
Oh, that is a massive hit.
Oh, I felt that.
I crashed hard, Mike. Threw me over the curve and the car just spun.
Potter comes up and makes contact with the left rear pretty hard.
And as he came out of turn 16, it sucked him, dragged him, pulled him across the track. Look at his hands on his head. He knows that it was probably something to do with him.
That's a 5. Yeah, 10-4, that's a 5. It's Barbosa.
The 5 swing to driver's right. He is door to door with the 01, trying to use that Ferrari as a pick. Into the lead goes Joao Barbosa over Scott Dixon.
Dixon thought about fighting it and then thought about the big picture.
Good job, clear by 2. Driving away a minute.
It is beautiful as we look up towards turn 17 exit. The sun is coming down. It's just fantastic.
There you see the number 4 Corvette.
Oh, there you see the brakes. Ollie had that problem down into turn 3 where the brakes just locked on.
We go yellow. Our 6th full course caution.
Pitch now.
Porsche going for 2 straight here at Sebring with this factory squad.
Can't get the left rear.
Left rear more than 912. They cannot get a bite on the wheel nut. This is costing precious time here in pit lane.
We were unable to change the left rear. The other 3 are cold.
It's these little things, guys, that take you out of victory.
It's the GTLM class leader.
Yeah, but problem. Can't shift.
Can't shift. Stuck in gear.
That's the lead. Number 3 car into the lead.
There's the long. Get it to the finish line here for us.
That must be an absolute dog to drive.
Well, look at this. The battle for GTD. Arna's going down to the wire. Mario Farnbacher locks up the number 23 into turn 10. Can you believe this with less than 10 minutes to go?
Jeroen Bleekemolen is in position to win from pole.
Done, guys. I'm 40.
Yet another twist. The 33 car leading GTD is on pit road.
Great job, Jerome. We gave it everything we had.
This is just an amazing finish to the race.
What more can you say about the last hour that Mario Farnbacher has spent in this car?
Bring it home, buddy. Nice and safe. No pressure from behind from Colin.
The 52 car definitely earned this.
Awesome job, man. Awesome job. Nice job, you guys. You guys rock.
The Corvette team can celebrate.
Clear all around. Bring it home. Bring it home.
12 hours of serving winner. You guys have rocked. You guys are the best.
The drought ends for Chevrolet as they sweep 4 of the top 5 positions.
You are Super Mario. I love you, man.